Hi everyone, welcome to the Stuff It Bags, Purses, and Boxes collab. This is hosted by Poetspice, and we post on the, I believe it's the third Saturday, yes, third Saturday of every month. 10 a.m. Eastern is supposed to be the time. Mine might be a little bit late this morning, but it will be up soon after. So this time I didn't create a box, I altered one. And here it is. And I'll quickly go through what I used. This is a Whitman's candy box. I still have to fix up the bottom a little bit. I just covered the bottom with white cardstock. I left the gold rim around because I really liked it. And what the paper is I used the only 2 sheets of it. We're in the In Good Taste, which is all different textures papers from Stampin' Up in their annual catalog right now, current catalog. For these pieces, I used Blushing Bride cardstock and the same paper, and these brand new Celebration Tidings dies out of the new mini catalog available now. And here's what that paper looked like. And on the other side, it has this in it. And I basically covered both the lid, and it's a little bit snug because of this, and the bottom. I haven't put anything on the inside yet. So you can, I don't know if you can see, it's close up, I know. And then I put some of these adhesive trim spring that I had gotten at Michael's years ago around the top here. And on the sides, I used this from, I think I got this online from Joann's, Merchant 41, Hobby Lobby, excuse me, Hobby Lobby. And I just wrapped it all the way around to make it a little more dainty and pretty. And then these flowers were actually, they're daisies, and I just recently bought them from Lori Seabrook, who has a channel here on YouTube, but she also does her own storefront, if you will, on Instagram. And it was cream, this really pretty blue, and a pink in each. So I bought 2 packs. I have 2 pinks. I should have bought 3 because 3 as a cluster would have been pretty, and it was a good color for it. So I put one on what I'll designate as the front, and one here. And then these, she had the little gold glitters in them, which was perfect. But then I used these beaded pearls from Stampin' Up that look like that. And they're in the current mini catalog. I love those. They're part of the Poinsettia Petals suite, but I think they're gorgeous for that. And I think for now that's about it. I think I'm going to probably put felt. I hadn't done that yet because I hadn't decided. I did put just white cardstock up in here. I thought I'd leave it white on the inside, but I do need to cover up this bottom. And I think I'm going to put white felt in there and perhaps use this like a little jewelry chest or something. So, and I don't know, this I left so that I could either put a name. I might decorate it more, but for now, that's where I'm at for my project for this month. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to check out the other collaborators. Again, there it is from the side view. I really like it. I had been meaning to alter a box. I had a different idea in mind, but the box I was going to alter I was using for my embossing folders, and it tore because I have a tendency to pick it up from the corner, and it ripped at the corner, so I didn't bother with that. And in fact, it's now in the recycle bin. So yeah, that's what I've done. Please go check out the other collaborators, and I hope you'll come back next month and see what we all do then. Bye for now.